Welcome to Top Rack Facts. Today we're venturing into the unknown to spotlight 10 rare and exotic animals you've probably never heard of. Stay tuned until the end to meet an animal so elusive it was once believed to be mythical. Hit like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to get notified about more amazing animal discoveries. Let's begin our journey. 1. Pink fairy armadillo. Kicking off our list is the pink fairy armadillo, the smallest armadillo species, found only in the arid central plains of Argentina. Measuring a mere 3.5 to 4.5 inches, this creature boasts a remarkable pale pink carapace and soft white fur. It spends most of its life underground, burrowing through the sand to escape the harsh sunlight and to find food, which mainly consists of insects and plants. The armadillo's ability to bury itself almost instantly makes it a difficult subject for scientific study. Its habitat is increasingly threatened by agricultural expansion, leading to a decline in numbers. Efforts to protect this charming little animal are hampered by its elusive nature and the vast areas of privately owned lands where it lives. As a true enigma of the animal world, the pink fairy armadillo exemplifies the challenges of conservation in remote and human-dominated landscapes. 2. The Theii represents one of Madagascar's most peculiar and misunderstood animals. This nocturnal primate, with its wiry fur, large eyes, and an eerily long middle finger, is often mistaken for a harbinger of bad luck by local communities. This cultural belief has led to the persecution of the Theii, exacerbating its risk of extinction. The animal uses its unique middle finger to tap on tree bark to locate insects, then gnaws holes into the wood using its forward slanting incisors to extract the prey. Aside from insects, it also consumes fruits and nuts, playing a vital role in seed dispersal. Conservation efforts are focused on changing local perceptions through education and promoting the ecological importance of the Theii. Protecting its dwindling forest habitat is crucial for its survival, highlighting the complex interplay between cultural attitudes and conservation. 3. Maned wolf. The maned wolf, native to the grasslands and scrub forests of South America, is neither a fox nor a true wolf, but a unique canid species with its own distinct ecological niche. Standing almost 3 feet tall at the shoulder, its long legs are thought to be an adaptation for the tall grasses of its habitat. This omnivorous animal prefers fruits like the wolf apple and small animals. It is known for its distinctive black mane, which it erects when threatened. The maned wolf is a solitary creature, coming together with others only during the mating season. Major threats to its survival include habitat loss due to agriculture expansion and road accidents. Conservation strategies include habitat restoration and the creation of biological corridors to connect isolated populations. Through international cooperation, there is hope to maintain the genetic diversity and resilience of this striking species. 4. Tufted deer. The tufted deer is a small deer species endemic to the high-altitude forests of China and Myanmar. This elusive animal is named for the prominent tuft of black hair on its forehead, and it is also characterized by its unique fang-like canines in males, used during rutting displays and conflicts. The deer's secretive nature and preference for dense cover make it a rare sight, even in its natural habitat. It primarily feeds on understory plants, but will occasionally consume fruits and fungi, contributing to the biodiversity of its ecosystem. The main threats facing the tufted deer include habitat fragmentation and poaching for its meat and unusual appearance. Conservation efforts are challenging due to the deer's elusive nature and the remote regions it inhabits, necessitating comprehensive studies and community-based conservation programs to protect these animals effectively. 5. Dugong. The dugong, often called a sea cow, graces the marine ecosystems of the Indo-Pacific region. This gentle giant is the only strictly marine herbivorous mammal closely related to freshwater manatees. Dugongs are distinguished by their fusiform body shape, paddle-like flippers, and notched tail, adapted perfectly to their underwater grazing on seagrass meadows. They play a critical role in the ecological health of these habitats, helping to maintain seagrass diversity and productivity. However, the dugong is vulnerable to extinction due to threats like habitat loss, water pollution, and accidental capture in fishing gear. Conservation efforts include protecting seagrass habitats, regulating fishing practices, and international collaboration to monitor populations and implement effective marine management plans. 6. Sunda Kugo. The Sunda Kugo, also known as the flying lemur, is one of the most fascinating creatures of Southeast Asia, though it neither flies nor is it a lemur. Instead, this animal is a master glider, using the large skin membrane that extends between its limbs to soar between trees in its forest habitat. The Sunda Kugo is a nocturnal creature, spending most of its day camouflaged against the bark of trees, only venturing out at night to feed on soft plant parts like leaves, shoots, and fruits. Despite its name, the Sunda Kugo is not well understood due to its nocturnal habits and the dense canopy habitat it prefers. These factors also make conservation efforts challenging, especially as deforestation and habitat fragmentation threaten its survival. Efforts to protect the Sunda Kugo are crucial for maintaining the biodiversity of Southeast Asian forests, emphasizing the need for comprehensive habitat conservation strategies. 7. Zebra duiker. The zebra duiker is an extraordinarily striped antelope native to the dense forests of West Africa. This small, robust creature is immediately recognizable by its prominent zebra-like stripes and short, sharp horns. It is an elusive forest dweller, primarily feeding on fruits and leaves, along with the occasional insect, which makes it an integral part of its ecosystem, aiding in seed dispersal and the forest nutrient cycle. The zebra duiker, however, faces significant threats from habitat destruction and bushmeat hunting. Its striking appearance makes it a target for poachers, and the loss of forest cover reduces its natural habitat. Conservation initiatives are focused on habitat protection and anti-poaching measures, aiming to preserve this unique species in the wild, highlighting the urgent need for increased law enforcement and community conservation programs. 8. Venezuelan poodle moth. Discovered as recently as 2009, the Venezuelan poodle moth is an enigmatic creature that captivates with its unique, almost mythical appearance that resembles a furry poodle. This moth, found in the forests of Venezuela, has sparked both interest and debate among entomologists due to its unusual look and the sparse scientific information available. Its white, fluffy body and wings, coupled with the antennae that resemble feathers, make it one of the most distinctive moths known. Little is understood about the lifestyle and ecology of the Venezuelan poodle moth, including its diet and breeding habits. Largely due to the moth's rarity and the remoteness of its habitat, protecting this moth involves preserving its habitat and conducting further research to understand its ecological role and requirements, underscoring the importance of scientific exploration in biodiversity conservation. 9. Babi Rusa. The Babi Rusa, native to the Indonesian islands such as Sulawesi, is no ordinary pig. This remarkable animal is best known for its incredible upper tusks, which curl back towards its forehead, potentially growing enough to pierce its own skull if they are not worn down. The Babi Rusa has a mostly hairless, greyish body, and its diet is primarily composed of fruits, nuts, and small animals. This peculiar dental structure not only defines its appearance, but also poses a biological mystery, as the function of these dramatic tusks is still not fully understood. The Babi Rusa is currently threatened by habitat loss due to logging and agricultural expansion, as well as by hunting for its meat. Conservation efforts are focused on habitat preservation and implementing stricter hunting regulations to ensure the survival of this unique swine, highlighting the critical need for protective measures in its native regions. That concludes our journey through the world of rare and exotic animals. Each of these creatures tells a unique story of survival and adaptation. Which one captivated you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more intriguing wildlife facts. See you in the next video.